And welcome back. With me right now are a couple of gentlemen from Laguna Woods Men's Golf Club, and we're going to be talking about their Memorial Golf Tournament, which is happening Saturday, May 18th. It's a golf tournament and dinner, and this is the 11th annual benefit. So welcome, John Soleil is here today. Soul, excuse me, and Bob Napak, and good to see you today.
You too.
This is something, John, that this has been going on for several years. As I said, it's the 11th annual one, but why don't you kind of take us back to the history?
Sure, thank you. The Memorial Tournament started in 2007. The first year it was called the Kurt Teal Memorial Tournament after one of our club champions who died the year before. The tournament would honor Kurt, as well as all the departed members of the Men's Golf Club. The choice of the foundation of Laguna Woods Village to be the beneficiary of the event was at Kurt's widow's request, since it had been his favorite charity. The arrangement was always for the event to use his name only for 1 year, and thereafter to be just the Memorial Tournament. In the first 4 years, from 2007 to 2010, the Men's Golf Club involvement in these initial events was limited to the extent of reserving the day for our event planners. Jerry Ryman and Don Fleming, two of our past club presidents, primarily ran the event. In the initial 4 years, the tournament organizers were able to donate approximately $5,000 each year. After a 2-year hiatus, in 2013, the Memorial Tournament returned to the annual rotation of special events and is now sponsored by the Men's Golf Club. In fact, it has become the club's premier annual event and major fundraiser. It is held in early May, with the Scramble Tournament being open to the entire community as well as any friends or relatives. Starting in 2017, the Men's Golf Club has co-sponsored the event with the Village of Laguna Woods. The Men's Golf Club views this annual tournament as testimonies that the golfing community can be counted on to help our village neighbors, and we believe the amount of our annual donations to the foundation reflects that commitment. Since 2013, in just 5 years, the total net proceeds of the Memorial Tournament, plus the donations from our members at our general membership meetings, have raised over $141,000 for the foundation of Laguna Woods Village.
Very good.
I know, it's been quite a number for us.
It has been. So tell me, Bob, about the event that's going on. And again, it's on Saturday, May 18th. So first, let's talk about how people who would like to do this can sign up for it.
Well, there's entry forms are at almost all the clubhouses.
Okay.
You can also go online to Laguna Woods Men's Golf Club, lwmgc.org, and you'll see buttons you can click that say Memorial right on it. There's a button. It'll take you to either an online form or you can download a manual entry form.
Okay.
So they're all over the place.
They've been in both English.
Yeah, and
Both
you
English and Korean.
Oh, that's right. I did see
Both
that. So
English
you
and
can
Korean.
go on also to Laguna Woods Village Club pages and get on from there. That's how
You can.
That's how
It'll
I
take
did.
you right to our website.
Yeah. Now, it is $120 per golfer, but that obviously includes golf, it includes dinner, and a golf shirt, and a sleeve of balls, a box lunch. I mean, it's incredible, all the goodies that you get along with this.
These are a couple of the shirts. This one's from 2016. This one's from 2018. We have a hat over here that goes with everything, cooling towels. As you said, there's the golf, range balls, box lunch, goodie bag. So there's quite a lot. Dinner, entertainment at the dinner.
Yeah.
And cash prizes for the winners.
Yeah, I mean, that's incredible for $120.
Exactly.
It really is. Now, I want to mention, and it is on the poster here, that if you don't play but you want to enjoy this event, it's $50 for a non-playing dinner guest.
It's a catered dinner by Yolanda. There's actually 4 different entrees you can choose from, so it's quite extensive, including filet mignon.
Okay.
So it's quite a great dinner. She always puts on a really, really good dinner.
Yeah.
So we're very happy with that.
Yeah, and
that's $50.
so you can't beat that as well. Now this is going to be starting. The golfers check in on that day at 10:30. You're doing a shotgun start.
Correct.
So that
Noon,
way
shotgun start.
kind of moves the whole event much quicker.
They'll have time when they get there to purchase what we call a super ticket. A super ticket for $20, first of all, gives them $21 raffle tickets right off the bat.
Okay.
Okay, then entry into the putting contest. They get, what else do they get?
Long drive.
Long drive. We're going to have a couple of college students out there doing very long drives. It'll make some of our par 3s and 4s very short.
Okay.
Which is kind of a nice little thing to have.
Yeah.
And then they'll get one super ticket for a $500 cash drawing.
Wow.
So that's all included in their $20.
Wow. So that's a great deal there. Now, can the non-playing dinner guests do that as well?
Not really. This is just for the golfers.
Just for the golfers.
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll have a box lunch, so they'll have plenty to keep them busy between 10:30 and noon when we shotgun start.
And even dancing at 7:30. So, John, how many players are going to be allowed here? Are you looking at like about 120, the normal?
We did our max in 2017 of 216 golfers.
Wow.
So we have the ability to
So using all three?
All three golf courses,
Okay.
yes.
All three nines.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a lot of coordination, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And Sean Sakata ought to be congratulated on the course condition that we presently have. It should be in great shape by the time this event occurs. And hats off to Tom McRae over at the Pro Shop, and his people there are going to do a wonderful job helping us out too. They did a great job last year.
And the shirts are going to be red this year, you said?
Shirts are going to be red. We just let that secret out of the box, I guess. So the
Yeah.
shirts are going to be red.
Well, he told me right before.
Yeah, I know. I should have said, don't say anything.
Oh, okay. But that's all right.
But yeah, that'll kind of complement the colors that we've had before. And
Okay.
white hat, so we're all going to be white hats out there.
Yeah. So really, for $120, I mean, the shirt and hat alone would cost like probably about $40. So right there, and then the dinner, the box lunch, and all the other things that you get.
Right.
Yeah, we also going to have we'll also have a silent auction
Okay.
for some items, and raffle prizes that you can purchase tickets for the raffle prizes before we go out to play, and then after we come back during when we're having dinner and whatever, we'll still be
And
selling
an
those
open
tickets.
bar.
And there's
And
an open bar. Yes.
All right.
And an open bar, that's correct.
This is quite a full day. So
It is.
if you're planning on doing this, be well rested, because it's going to start your day at 10:30, and pretty much it's going to be almost a 12-hour day when it's all. If you're going to stay for all the dancing,
Right.
Yes.
it's going to be close to that
There's,
anyway.
there's a core group that every year stay for the
Stay for the
dancing and
dancing,
just
right.
have a great
Yeah.
time
Yeah,
afterwards. So.
yeah, you
we have
might
a
as
good
well.
time.
Yeah.
So again, if you would like to do this, it's you can find the forms at many of the clubhouses. You can go online. The easiest way, if you forget the website, is just go to our website. From there, go to club pages, and then the men's golf tournament page. Actually, it's I clicked on it, the men's 18-hole golf club, and then from there, and it's right there. There's a tab there for you to link onto. Or you can go to the website directly, lwmgc.org, and find out their information. Do you have a deadline, or is it just when it's full?
No, the deadline is probably May 7th, the first week in May, because we have to coordinate everything.
Right.
So we'd like to have everything all solidified by then.
All right, so get on board with that. It's going to be a lot of fun. You can't beat the price. And if you don't want to be a golfer and just enjoy the evening, the dinner and the dance, that's $50. So you can do that as well.
Correct.
All right, so very good. And by the way, it is men's hole, but men's whole golf tournament. But anyone.
It's open to all village
we wanna
residents,
make sure we say
their
that.
friends, and their relatives.
Okay.
Yes.
So
All right.
It's open to everybody.
Gentlemen, thank you very much. Good luck to
Thanks,
you.
Jen.
Thank you, Ken.
All right, and sign up quickly, because this is a lot of fun. We'll be right back.
Thank you.